I will introduce 5 applications that are often used for UI design or UX design in 2022.
Sebelum memulai, jika ingin belajar lebih lanjut tentang roadmap UI design, bisa cek kursus saya di Udemy dengan keyword Roadmap UI Design by Wawan. Dan saya sudah sertakan link course di deskripsi. Mari kita mulai.
Number 1, Figma. Figma is a web-based UI and UX design application, so don't need to install the application even though there is a desktop version. I prefer for web-based. So product from Figma is design and prototyping and design system. The pricing for Figma is free but powerful. You can visit Figma address on figma.com. Number 2, Adobe XD. Like Figma, is application for UI design, but Adobe XD must install on your computer. Adobe XD is Adobe family, and you can check in Adobe XD on Google. Pricing for Adobe XD apps vary widely for trial 7 days of use. Okay. Like this. You're trying in 7 days trial. If you want trying Adobe XD, you have 7 days trial. You can see the price at the address at adobe.com. Number 3, Sketch. Sketch is exactly the same as Adobe XD for the UI design application, which requires to be installed on the laptop or PC. Sketch product from Apple, and then product Sketch. We going to website, product design, and then product collaboration with your team or your friend, and then skate developer hand up, and workspace, and extension. Okay, for price skate $9 per month, and then $20 per month for business. You can see the skate at the address skate.com. Number 4, inpatient apps. Not much different from inpatient apps as well as other UI UX application. There are many templates to use it, like brainstorming, strategy and planning, for pricing. Freehand $0 and Freehand Pro $4 and Freehand Enterprise you short contact person atau or contact us. You can see the skate or inpatient apps address inpatientapps.com. Number 5, Marvels. Marvel is the same as other application for UI UX design, and then product from Marvel, prototyping, nice, and then design, user testing or UT, good job, and then and collaboration. The difference in Marvel, we can see an example from the prototype that is already running, like apps healthcare, apps chat, web hotel, and travel. Okay, for pricing. You can check Marvel's address and marvelsapps.com. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye.